Foot on the brake. It won't start.
It's in park. And there it goes. To start, press brake.
Full accessory power active. Foot on the brake.
Take a picture.
In park. And when we started to drive, it felt like there was like an ABS or something on, and it just took us to a slamming stop. Great.
Oh my god.
Well,
This car's freaking 3 years old.
it's a Ford. Look, now it's just started.
Well, I don't know if we want to go
Well,
anywhere. Let's take your car.
I'm gonna pull it up into the driveway.
Yeah, let's take your car.
Okay, open the garage door.
Stuck somewhere with this.
Nope, we're gonna have them come get it.